Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we will understand how to get email for new files added to Google Drive. So here let's suppose that I have given access to my Google Drive to my employees. So here my objective is that whenever a new file will be uploaded in Google Drive, then automatically I should get an email for the same. So here to do this, I need to set up a connection between these two applications, for which I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect follows the concept of trigger and action. So here to do this, my trigger application will be Google Drive and my action application will be Gmail. So if you want to learn more about this, make sure to follow me through the screen. In this video, we will understand how to get email for new files added to Google Drive. So here let's say that I have given access to my employees to my Google Drive. So here my objective is that whenever a new file will be added in my Google Drive, then automatically I should get an email for the same. So now to automate this entire process, I'm going to use this amazing automation software, that is Pabbly Connect, and this here is the landing page. So in order to reach here, you just have to type in pabbly.com/connect in your browser. So here you can see I've got two options. One is of sign in and the other one is of sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, you can simply sign in. But if you're a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button, and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now in order to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as get email for new files added to Google Drive. On my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders that I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Google Drive to Gmail automation, and now I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I've arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. Action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow, you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So as my use case is to get email for new files added in Google Drive. So to begin with the automation, I will go to my trigger window, and over here, I'm going to search for Google Drive as my trigger application. So now moving to the trigger event, that will be new file. So this trigger will start working whenever a new file will be added or created in my Google Drive. So now moving to the action window, as I want to get an email. So over here, Gmail will be my action application and the action event will be to send email. So as you can see, I've selected my action applications and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So to proceed with this automation, firstly, I need to build a connection between Google Drive and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect. And now, in order to add a new connection, you just have to sign in with your Google account. So here I'm going to click on allow, as this is a secure access. And you can see that the authorization was successful. Google Drive and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So over here, our trigger application is a polling based one. So this trigger will check for new data in every 10 minutes. So as I will click on the save and send test request button, it will get me the most latest response from Google Drive. That means it will get me the details of the most latest file that would have been added. But before clicking on save and send test request, I'm going to add a new file. So over here in Google Drive, I will click on this new button. I will go to file upload. So this here is the file. That means this here is the image that I'm going to upload. So here it has started to upload and it is uploaded successfully. So now I'm going to take it to Pabbly Connect. So as currently I'm building this automation, so as I will click on save and send test request, it will instantly get me the response. So over here in Pabbly Connect, I have received the response, and this here is the link for the image. So going back to Pabbly Connect, over here you can see the web content link, and over here is the viewed by me time as well. So here is the thumbnail link that is given and the spaces of Drive. You can see the details of the person who has uploaded this file. So that means over here inside Pabbly Connect, I have successfully got the details of the new file that has been added inside my Google Drive. So our trigger application is a polling based one. So this trigger will check for new data in every 10 minutes. So as a new file has been added in my Google Drive, now I would like to get an email for the same. So here to do that, I'm going to build a connection between my Gmail account and Pabbly Connect. So to add a new connection, I will simply connect with my Gmail account. So over here, I'm going to click on allow as this is a secure access. And you can see that the authorization was successful. So now moving to the recipient email address. So over here, I'm going to mention my email address because I want to get an email whenever a new file will be uploaded in Google Drive. So here, let's say that this here is my email, that is demoUser@pabblytudes.com. So now I will go to the other parts over here, the sender name. So here to mention the sender name, you can write your name or either your team name. So I'm going to mention the sender name as team. So once that is done, now moving to the email subject. So over here, I'm going to mention the email subject as new file uploaded. So now moving to the email content type, that will be this. A new file has been uploaded to Drive, please check. So over here, I am also going to mention the link in the content as well. So this here is the web view link that we are going to map. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous steps. So as I've received the response from Google Drive, so that is why in the email content, I've mentioned the link for the file. Now in the attachment as well, I'm going to map the link. So here you can see that as I've mapped the details in these fields. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we mapped the information. So as I've mapped the details, here I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. So here you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive response. That means I would have received an email for the same. So I'm going to show you the email as well. So this here is the email that I have received. So over here you can see the attachment. So here in the attachment, here is the image and I've also added the link for the same as well. So I'm just going to click on this link and I'm going to show you this image that it opens successfully. So here that means I have successfully received an email when a new file has been uploaded in my Google Drive. So this automation was a successful one. That means now whenever a new file will be uploaded in my Google Drive, then automatically I will get an email for the same. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications and create amazing automations by using Pabbly Connect. So you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write us to https://forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing related issues, you can visit this link. So you can create a lot more automations by using Pabbly Connect, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends, colleagues. Subscribe to our channel for more.